So if you compare the amount of parent isotope material
uranium
to the amount of daughter isotope material, there will be a proportion, right?
Right. But so how do you know that all the but now we know that radioisotopes are added to and taken out of rock by water. Okay, and we also know that lead is a naturally occurring element which exists in the environment. So how can you know how much of that lead that's left in that rock? How can you know that all of it is the product of the decay of uranium?
Yeah, I understand what you're saying there, but I think I understand what you're saying. I know you made a point there, and I think there's an answer for it that I'm not aware of. Okay,
no, there is no answer.
Okay. I know.
Now hold on a sec. 980. I want to compliment you. I want to compliment 980. I don't even know 980 personally. We've never met, right, 980? I don't know you. He's being honest. He just said, what did you just say? You just said, there might be an answer, but you don't know it right now.
I don't know exactly how they do that daughter-parent ratio. I know.
Then why are you calling into a radio show pushing that idea? You see, this is what we're talking about.
Yeah.
Go ahead, guys. I'll let you talk it out. But see, this is the thing: is people push ideas, but then part of your theory you don't even know the answer to, and you're calling in a live radio show admitting you don't know the answer to that, yet you're pushing that. To me, that's not really, even from a moral standpoint, not right. We should really have all the science, and then once we know for a fact, then go ahead and talk about it, rather than theories. I mean, what good is it if we go ahead and talk about theories? But go ahead, gentlemen. Sorry for the interruption.
Are you there? Am I still on? Okay. Well, anyway, I just want to say, I mean, I can read those passages now anytime, but the thing is, I mean, I understand what you're saying, that I should have more of a full awareness of how this ratio is done. It's not done by, like, the actual initial amount. It's done by the ratio between the parent and daughter, as I understand. The thing is, my understanding is that things within human history are able to be dated properly. And I know that there are some objections. I saw that tree diagram or whatever. I don't know about all these things, okay? I don't know about all these particular objections. But you know what I'm saying? I mean, what I'm trying to do is get at the truth. And
980, you give me hope for mankind, my brother. Well, 980 is an honest caller. This is how I wish science would be. Two people reasonably talking to each other, both have the same goals, looking for the truth. And you've heard it here on Shock Radio, ladies and gentlemen. Now, guys, could you...
Well, he wasn't able to answer that question.
Well, I know he wasn't able to, and he admitted that. But I do appreciate his honesty that, that he's looking for truth.
I have one last...
Yes, 980. And I got a bunch of other calls, so go ahead and...
I know you got other calls.
But you were honest. I appreciate that.